The Centre for Species Survival is a partnership between the Wildlife Trust of India and the IUCN Species Survival Commission, supported by the Columbus Zoo. And this centre is the first centre that looks at Asian elephant holistically across its 13 range states. Located in India, this centre looks to assist the range state governments of these 13 range states to fulfill the Kathmandu Declaration, the declaration which all of them took together to conserve the Asian elephant.
This is the only Center for Species Survival of all the Centers for Species Survival established through the International Union for the Conservancy of Nature. This is the only one to focus on a single species, and that's the Asian elephant. Elephants are found in various habitats throughout, particularly southeastern Asia. They're found in dense forests, they're found along wetlands and in grassland areas. They prefer the forest, and oftentimes with things like the monsoons and seasonal rains, elephants will leave protected areas and migrate, sometimes into human-occupied areas like towns or agricultural areas.
CS Asian Elephant is addressing the major threats of Asian elephant conservation, which is largely community-based. 1/3 of the human population lives with and around Asian elephants, and that creates a very large range of problems. So one of our main goals is human-elephant coexistence. How can we help communities live with the elephants, protect the lands, work with communities to build infrastructure, electrical work, all these things that are important for Asian elephant survival and the communities that live with them.
We plan our actions. We do an annual work plan and decide which threats are we going to address and how are we going to address them. And then we implement that, or we do the actions.
The next thing we're going to be working on is infrastructure guidelines, and our hope is to help countries develop their own infrastructure guidelines and to look for opportunities to support those infrastructure processes throughout the range.
Habitat protection, habitat fragmentation, establishing corridors, all of these things are priorities to the range countries, and we want to provide them with the resources that they need in their languages, in their ranges in fact, as well as provide them a safe space to have the discussions about Asian elephant threats.